Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. This is A-Team Adventures. This week we'll be seeing Northern Lights, hot springs, and some beautiful views. This was our campsite. We stayed here for a couple nights among the beautiful yellow aspens. It was right next to the road, but on this day we were heading out. We woke up right as the sun was coming over the mountain and set off on our adventure for the day. We are heading to a hot spring, a free, natural hot spring in the area. In Colorado, a lot of the hot springs have been turned into hot springs resorts, so it is pretty rare to have a free little gem like this on the side of the road. This hot spring had kind of a muddy, silty bottom, so it wasn't the best we've been to, but it was a nice relaxing soak with a good temperature. After soaking in the hot spring, we did quite a bit of driving and landed at our spot for the night on Borea Pass. This spot is located near Breckenridge, Colorado, and is super beautiful. We were here pretty much after the fall aspen trees have already fallen off, so it was much more calm and relaxed in this spot than if we had come, say, a week earlier. Here we saw some absolutely beautiful sunsets over the mountains. There was some snow on the mountains in the distance, but this was before any of the real snows came through Colorado. But the sunset wasn't the only show the sky would be putting on that night, because we were here at this spot on October 10th, which was the day of the solar flares that reached all the way down south to Colorado. We have tried to see the Northern Lights many times in Vermont, but usually it was cloudy whenever we tried. This time it was our lucky day and we saw the beautiful Northern Lights. Obviously they weren't as bright as if we were actually up north, and they showed up better on camera than with our human eyes, but it still was a very beautiful experience. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and we'll see you next time.